Hi everyone, I am Dr.A.Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, belongs to Department of Management Studies, SNS SNS Institutions. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, importance and role of objectives. So last session we discussed the 2 points. So now we are going to discuss motivation aids. So apart from incentive and reward, objective of an organization will be the driving force to attain a goal. So they are not focused on incentive and rewards, but we will motivate the employee will do anything for the organization. Control mechanism. So there is some control. For example, if an employee is working for the wrong direction, definitely you must control that particular employee to restrict the employee. So that's only being a driving force. Objectives restrict employee from deviation. Coordination. So teamwork never fail. So objectives serve as unifying force for an organization. Executives coordinate the efforts of their subordinates. So teamwork never fail. That is a coordination. Uniqueness in an organization, but every employees are equal, but they are having some specific uniqueness. It will be different from other employees. So they are the core force to planning. The service reference points for the formulation of policies, strategies, procedures, etc. In setting objectives, setting objective must meet following criteria to be consistent with the values of management, should pinpoint strength of an organization. So these are the strengths for my organization. To satisfy external environment factors. So if you're setting the guideline for the objective, so what are the guidelines to follow for that to achieve the objective? Objective should be clear and specific. So there is no confused manner. So it will be clear and specific. Should be expressed in measurable terms. Objective should be attainable and realistic. Objective should be time bound. Should be wholeheartedly accepted by employees. Objective should be challenging. Objectives should have sub-goals and linked to rewards. Objectives should be interconnected and mutually supportive. Objectives should be flexible and adaptable. It should be set down in all key result areas. So these are the objective setting guidelines. These are the points we will follow to achieve the particular objective. So what are the benefits of objective formulation? Set specific target, provides direction for an employee, increases staff motivation, helps to focus on specific goal and specific task, builds relationship, helps to measure the performance of an employee. So these are the guidelines. So you have to appraise. I mean that you are going to appraise the performance of an employee. That is a measure the performance of an employee. Helps to prioritize. So which one is urgent, which one is not urgent. So you're going to, with the help of guidelines, you can prioritize the particular work. Enable success to be measured. So these are the benefits. So these are the advantages for formulation. That is that guidelines. What are the disadvantages? What are the limitations in objective formulation? Immeasurability, inadequate resource allocation, stress on employee, neglecting ground reality, avoiding consultation, unclear and rigid objective, and time constraint. So these are the limitations. These are the disadvantages which are seen in the limitation in that objective. Because stress on employee means there is some duration to complete the particular work, but within the duration, so the employee, they are having more stress to complete the particular work. So they are having more stress. Next, we are going to discuss strategy and tactics. So what are the things we are going to discuss in the strategy and tactics? Purpose, roles, accountability, duration, and output. So every time we discuss the strategy and tactics are different things. Because to identify clear, broader goals that advance the overall organization and organize resources, that is the strategy. Tactics to utilize specific resources to achieve sub-goals that support the defined mission. Mission is nothing but short-term goal. Roles, individual who influence resources in the organization. They understand how you set tactics work together to achieve goals. Specific domain experts that measure limited resources into actions to achieve a set of goals. Accountability, held accountable to overall health of organization, held accountable to specific resources assigned. Duration is nothing but long term, it's a vision. Long term changes infrequently. Shorter term, flexible to specific market conditions. So depends upon the market condition, we will change the statics. Output produces clear organization goals, plans, maps, guideposts, and key performance measurement. Produces clear deliverables and outputs using people, tools, and time. Okay. So these are the things we discussed in that strategy and tactics. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.